We're going to attempt to wrap the panels of the new RX-5 140 demo car.
Stop it. Get some help.
Right, we're not straight. No.
Recognise the number plate? Well, if you'd been following us, you probably do, because this was our attempt at a wrap car that, well, didn't go quite as well as we wanted, but it was a good experiment and a little bit of fun. But we've decided we can't do the wrap anymore. We can't show you that. It done what it needed to do as a purpose. And we've rebodied the car in blue, so it's still blue. But we liked the last demonstrator that sold before we even got it out, the turbo one, so much. I thought, let's do it again. Why wouldn't you when you like it that much? It's like going to your favourite restaurant. When it's that good, you want to go again. Pretty much about a day and a half to strip it and put all the new bodywork on, including the stripe and everything else. So that's pretty good going. It's not major work. It's more a bit of a tinkering. It's about a day to, I mean, you could probably do it in a solid day. This was a slightly shorter day, but you could probably do it in a solid day. I would say off bodywork, new bodywork on. So it's not major in any way, shape or form. And what we've done, we've kept the cup nose cone, kept with the theme of that. We've done the new stripe pack with the sort of number that would be if you have an race number. But in there, I think you can quite easily see, you home build these for 11,995 plus VAT. Same spec as this, as you see it here, with our new VR1 wheels, which look rather amazing. We've given them some new lease of life with the new wheels as well, and new tyres, so new Nankang AR1s on there. Really looking smart. The final job, which I haven't got on there right now, is the exhaust system, because we was putting the stripe on earlier. That's just going to plop on because the bracket's all done. And then we just put the surround, the black surround, which will go around here to cover the exhaust hole nicely. Neatens that right up, really smart. And moving along, the flat bonnet, the scuttle, side panels, all the new stuff that we do. And then you move into the interior. Well, we got a little bit naffed off with the gloss black dash, because it's a bit of reflection sometimes you get on it. So we thought, do you know what, Joseph done a great job before. We've sort of wrinkle finish paint on the dashboard, gives it a bit more of a factory look to it as well. Interior hasn't changed really. Same steering wheel, same seats, same seat belts, the wide seats in here. But no roll cage anymore. That's gone. we do so many test drives on this car and customers getting in and out, we thought actually it might work better for a roll bar rather than the roll cage. So we've gone with our new one. This one is pretty much the same as the other height. It's the lower spec. We do a taller version, which is 50mm taller. For you people who have definitely been eating a lot more food and growing or had a bit of soil in the boots and you've got a bit of a growth spurt. For us shorties though, we do the lower one, and this is rose jointed here, but we use the same boot cover. So it's the same boot cover, whether it be this bar, the taller bar, or the roll cage. So they are completely interchangeable, and you can fit the roll cage back on here. So this is nice, it keeps it all in proportion, still pretty safe. I mean, it's bolted in. If you're ripping this out, you're going to be in all sorts of trouble. But yeah, the RX-5 140, said it's striped back on the back here. Got these really nicely nailed down now, and it's, again, these are gel coat, they're not painted, so it's all comes colour coordinated. If you haven't seen it before, no paint on this, gel coat finish, really nice fit finish quality on that as well, get a nice shine on it. VR1 wheels on the back, and we've got 205s all the way round tyre wise on that. We've got a couple of little jobs just left to do because we're undecided on what we want to do, which is we're going to fit our fog light and number plate light on here, but we're not sure which one to fit, the new spec one, the LED one, or whether we go with the rain high brake light up here. We're not sure yet. A couple of decisions just to make on that. And then we've got to make a decision, either windscreen, aero screen. Not sure which way to go with that now. So in the comments below, maybe fire us it, aero screen or windscreen. That would be good to know and get a bit of a poll going on that, where we go with it. I think it'll probably be a windscreen for most people who drive this and just for a test drive, just to help you. I prefer an aero screen, but everybody's different. So that's a bit of a decision we've got to make. But this will be at the British Motor Show, so it'll, if you pop down there, this video may have already gone out, you may see it in the flesh. So yes, you're looking rather sharp. I mean, what's not to like? It's a great looking car, really nice stance, drives exceptionally well. This says 140, but actually with the cold air intake that we've done in here that sits under there, it made just shy of 170 horsepower. More than enough to smoke the back tyres, get the rubber burning, and have an absolute blast. So yeah, if you want to know more about the RX-5 range, whether it be this or a turbo car, if you don't know that, most of you do, you watch this regularly. We do the turbo versions of this, they're absolutely ballistic. Starting here, 11,995 plus VAT, that's a comprehensive kit, and you get your donor car like we're doing before there, and you start off with this chassis, exactly like this. We've got a few bits, we're starting on this one. You start off with the chassis, as you do there, and then away you go. Start your build this at home, which hundreds of people have already, and enjoy it. But yeah, if you want to come down, you want to book in a test drive, take this car out for a spin, hook us up, phone call, email here at MK Sportscars. We want to accommodate you as best as we can, book you in there, get you in that driver's seat and have a little bit of fun. That's it guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and we will catch you next time.